Continued inspection of the drive shows that indeed the felt pad is missing. Someone has been in here. Not sure how to check the drive head. Probably means I'm going to have to replace the felt pad and then hope it works. There's the PCB on the floppy drive. Does look to be in good condition. Also, the underside of the main PCB looks to be in good condition. The transformer looks like it has run warm. Probably not surprising. I'm sure hoping that all those wire connectors are going to the right place. But the top side of the main PCB looks to be in good condition at least.